My name is Charmay Williams. I'm the HR business partner leading employee engagement and culture. My role is to manage the employee engagement activities of the organization as well as build a sustainable culture here at the organization. A couple of years ago, we actually started looking at how can we be a better workplace? How can we have a better work environment? In my role, I often find that employees say, "Sick is already a good place to work." But we really, as an organization, the management board and the executives really wanted this to be a great place to work. And so we decided to take a survey, seek out the ideas and opinions from our employees, and actually start to implement a lot of those action items from our employees' feedback. One of my favorite perks is the flexible work arrangements that we have here at SICK. I live in Houston, and being able to work at any location is very diverse. But then also it's very important to me as a working mother that I have that work-life balance, and flexible arrangement is probably one of my favorite perks of the organization.